Engineers are after stable processes, machines, work holding, and more importantly, cutting tools that can perform consistently over many years. Something with solid quality that they can rely on every time they press that cycle start button. And that's why we're here at Seco Stand, a great partner of MSC, and we're going to take a closer look at the partnership that we've got with these guys. Come and take a closer look. So I'm here with Neil at Seco. So Neil, what can you tell me about the challenges that engineers are facing in the manufacturing industry these days?
I think it's possibly one of the most volatile situations we've had with the current situation with price and carbide. I think supply is a big issue. And I think customers are now looking at us to see what we can add in value, more around solution selling more than the product, working closely with engineers and partners to make sure that we can deliver cost savings and add value to the customer. That's really where we see Seco as being an integral part of that, and working with MSC as a partner.
Yeah, absolutely. We've done fantastic jobs over the years, haven't we? We've helped a lot of customers, a lot of engineering companies to sort of get the most out of their tools by using the latest methods, the latest technologies. But also, when we come together as a partnership, we can actually add value to the customer. We can look at those processes and try to make it more stable and more efficient, and also by introducing new cutting tools that maybe some companies are not familiar with, we can actually bring the cost down overall for the customer. Is that the case?
Yeah, I think so. And I also think it's not just about the product. You know, we have the innovation hub where we look at manufacturing solutions. You know, we can take a customer's component, we can look at adding value through engineering, look at re-evaluating it, making sure we're using the latest technology, working with our partners like MSC. And, you know, having the iHub gives us the opportunity to take that disruption away from the customer. It allows us to do it off-site. There's no pressure on them, and then we can invite them down with our partners to see and show them how we're going to save them money. I think that's really important.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, every single week there is at least one or two projects either running in our tech center or your iHub, where MSC and Seco engineers are working closely to sort of crunch those numbers for our customers.
Yeah, I mean, we've recently done one from a partnership we're working with where, you know, we didn't have the time to do it at the customer. We had some raw materials sent in, we've done some trials. We invited the customer up for the day. He was really, really impressed with what we've done. We've created a method of manufacture. We've presented that to the customer and shown true cost savings, and it's true collaboration, and it's working really well. And I think that's what's integral to the partnership that we're working with today.
Definitely.
It's very important.
Absolutely. You've got great machines in the iHub as well. I mean, it's a nice selection of different machine tools, so it's suitable for pretty much any application that we can see out in the market.
Yeah, I think it's important that we cover all sectors. You know, we're very strong in aerospace. We work strongly in medical. You know, we have machines that can work in those types of segments. And I think having that broad base of manufacturers and also CNC machines allows us to be able to have that scope to do that with different customers and partners, and it works very well.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we've got lots and lots of your products on our website. I believe we are your largest distributor in the UK. We've sold so many of your products to many businesses across SMEs up to very large accounts, and I think MSC and the Seco partnership has been something really unique over the past few years, and it's just getting better and better going forward.
Oh yeah, that's a great point. I think, you know, Seco was always looking to have a national distributor, something that we've never had in the past. And I think when we decided to go and work with MSC, we've seen there was some synergies around specifically working in our strategic landscape.
Yeah.
You know, we wanted to work with these big customers and, you know, and create the collaboration to work more closely together. And I think, you know, our product portfolio supports your ambition to be able to do that with us. And I think it's worked really well, and it's growing stronger by the day, and it's certainly a good collaboration and a great relationship that we've got with you guys.
Absolutely, yeah. Well, thank you very much, Neil. Yeah, really appreciate the chat. If you want to shop for any Seco products, make sure to head to mscdirect.co.uk/Seco. There's hundreds of thousands of Seco products. Many of them are available for next day delivery. And stay tuned for more coverage from the MACH show.